In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your website on Wix. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, keeping your progress safe while working on your website is absolutely essential. There's nothing worse than losing hours of work because you forgot to save or didn't know how. Wix makes this process simple, but it's important to understand the steps and best practices to make sure your updates are saved, and when ready, published for the world to see. So let's dive in and walk through the process, step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. This is the starting point for accessing any of your websites on the platform. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Wix website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is where all your websites are displayed. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment to locate the specific one you'd like to edit. Simply click on it to ensure you're working on the right project. Next, on your site's dashboard, look for the Edit Site button. This is your gateway to the Wix Editor, where all the magic happens. Click it, and you'll be taken to the editing interface. Here, you'll see your website displayed with all the tools you need to make adjustments. Take your time to navigate through the editor if you're new to it. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Now, it's time to start making changes to your site. Whether you're adding new text, updating images, tweaking the layout, or anything else, Wix provides a variety of tools to help you customize your website exactly the way you want. Feel free to experiment with different features and design elements. Remember, any changes you make won't be permanent until you save them, so this is your chance to explore and refine your work. Once you're happy with the changes you've made, it's time to save your progress. Look toward the upper right corner of the editor's top menu bar. There you'll find a Save button. This is one of the most important buttons in the editor. Click it to securely store all the adjustments you've made on Wix's servers. Saving your work regularly is critical, especially if you've made significant changes. It's easy to forget, so make it a habit to save often. Doing this will ensure that you don't lose your progress if something unexpected happens, like a browser crash or a sudden loss of internet connection. After you click the Save button, wait for a moment until you see a confirmation notification. Wix will let you know that your work has been saved successfully. This is your assurance that everything you've done is now securely stored. If you don't see this notification, double-check your internet connection and try saving again. As you continue to work on your site, remember to save at regular intervals. This is especially important after making big updates or changes. There's no harm in saving frequently. It's better to be safe than sorry. Finally, once you're completely satisfied with your changes and ready to share them with the world, look for the Publish button. It's located right next to the Save button in the top menu. Clicking Publish will push your changes live, making them visible on the internet. Keep in mind that saving and publishing are two separate actions. Saving protects your work within the editor, while publishing updates your live site. So only click Publish when you're absolutely ready for your changes to go public. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to save your website on Wix. By following these steps, you can work confidently, knowing your progress is secure and your updates are ready to shine online when you're ready to publish. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.